Yes, my people, big up on yourself once again. You don't know, so this is Real Big Boss Entertainment. You understand what I say? So this topic is right about why some people just, just bad mind you and envy you when you rise into the top. The reason why is they don't have a pure heart. You understand what I say? If you don't have a pure heart, then that means said, you're corrupt. You understand what I say? Your heart have to clean. And don't forget, say, when you rise into the top, everybody can follow you. Plenty people will say, boy, you're wicked and you're evil when you rise into the top. You drop all heap of people. No, I don't saw it work, my people. It's an energetic thing. A lot of us don't know about energy. A lot of us don't know about how things work. Because, see, when you are rising to the top, it's like you graduate from grade 3 to grade 4 to grade 5. The people that in a grade 3 can't come with you because them not graduate. It's just that level of energetic. You graduate from one energetic level to another and it's full of abundance. Now them have to try to graduate to get to that abundance. You understand what I say? So people will always drop out of your life once you're rising up to the top. It's just norm. It's the norm. You understand what I say? So let people who want to talk shit, them stay to talk them shit, and who want chat, make them chat. You know what you're doing. You know, so you're rising to the top and you're not asking nobody for nothing. You're doing what you do best. You understand what I say? And even some of them, even when you're rising to the top, who is still around you, their time will come when they will fall out too because them not clean. Them not fully clean. Them still have a lot to work on. You understand what I say? I saw the thing go. You understand? So you have to big up and really respect the real loyal people them who really have a pure heart around you in your life. It's not going to be a whole heap, it's going to be few, but yes, you have to give thanks. At least you have a few that is real with you. You understand what I say? And I saw the thing go. It don't make no sense argue with nobody. You understand what I say? Just do you. You understand? Make your step. You understand? Because you know where you're heading. It's your journey. Nobody else can create it for you, or you have to create it for yourself. You understand what I say? So you have to just live your life, live it to your best of your ability, give thanks and praise, and stop worrying about people. And that's our problem. We get up every day, we jest for people, we act for people, we do things for people, and we now live our life. Now it's time for we live our life. You understand what I say? And stop worrying about other people's problem. Because other people's problem not help you. You understand? You don't know this is Real Big Boss Entertainment with the latest topic, update, news and reviews. Around here, we just drop the vlog and speak the truth and chat the things. You understand what I say? Big up on yourself, my people, and thanks for the support at all the times. You don't know, you understand what I say? Bang, until then.